Hi, my name is Julie Jones, and welcome to our podcast of Sac Heart Women. And today we're going to talk about women and knowing the signs that you're having a heart attack. And this came about due to my mom had a heart attack. I was going to say about 6 years ago. She came up for some graduations, and she was up visiting with my sister, who is a nurse, and come to find out, we were talking with my sister and my mom, she had been having some heart attacks and been unaware that she was having one. And we also found out that women having heart attacks are different. So, like the same when everyone is in labor, each labor is different. That goes to show that each heart attack for women is different too. The most common heart attack symptom in women is pain, pressure, discomfort in the chest, but it's not often severe or even the most prominent symptom, particularly in women. And sometimes women may have a heart attack without chest pain, and women are more likely than men to have heart attack symptoms unrelated to chest pain, such as neck, jaw, shoulder, upper back, or abdominal discomfort, shortness of breath, pain in one or both arms, nausea, vomiting, sweating, lightheadedness, or dizziness, unusual fatigue. These symptoms can be more subtle than the obvious crushing chest pain and often associated with heart attacks. Women may describe chest pain as pressure or tightness, and this may be because women tend to have blockages not only in their main arteries but also in the smaller arteries that supply blood to the heart, a condition called small vessel heart disease or coronary microvascular disease. And women's symptoms may occur more often than when women are resting or even when they're asleep. Mental stress may also trigger heart attack symptoms in women. And women tend to show up in emergency rooms after the heart attack damage has already occurred because their symptoms are not usually associated with a heart attack, and because women also downplay their symptoms. For example, with my mom, she was having chest pain, but she was taking Tums during the time thinking, oh, it's just chest pain, it's not a heart attack. So she was downplaying her symptoms. If you experience these symptoms or think you're having a heart attack, call for emergency medical help immediately. Don't drive yourself to emergency room unless you have no other options. Please be aware of the signs and go visit your doctor if you think you're having a heart attack, or go to the emergency room. Thank you so much for listening, and be sure to check out Sac Heart Women or check out American Heart Association, and they have some great resources to help you feel better and to make sure your heart is pumping. Thanks so much.